What's up, guys? It's your girl Christina, and I am back with yet another video. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in today. And as you can see, we have a beautiful client, and I'm going to show you a detailed process on how I created this look on her. Shout out to her for allowing me to use her to create some content. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going to start off by hydrating her skin with a light moisturizer. Now I'm going to make sure that the moisturizer is completely absorbed before applying the next product. Next, I'm going to apply a primer evenly over her entire face, and then I'm going to allow that product to dry and absorb in the skin as well. Now that I'm finished the skincare, I'm going to go in with my Got2b glue to lay down the hairs of the brow. As you can see, I'm brushing them in the way that they grow. Now, as I'm waiting on her brows to dry, I'm going to start adding foundation to the center of her forehead area. I find it easier to apply the foundation above the brow before I actually fill them in. While I'm here, I'm going to contour her forehead, and I'm using a brown cream that's 2 shades darker than her skin tone. Once that's all blended, now I'm going to go into contouring her nose. Now, once that's completed and well blended, I'm going to go in with a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than her skin tone to highlight with. And yes, guys, sometimes blending can take really long. Even though I sped this video up, as you can see, it's taking a while to blend, but you want to make sure that everything is blended seamlessly. Now I'm going to use my setting powder to set the center of her forehead and around the brow area. And now we're going to start on her brows. I'm going to use my absolute favorite pencil, which is the Sephora brow pencil. I really love this pencil, y'all. I'm telling you, it's super fine, precise. Apply the right amount of product, not too much, not too little. It's perfect, and it always creates the perfect brow for me every time. Like, it just don't miss. Now, I'm going to trace underneath her brow with this Makeup Forever foundation palette to create a highlighted effect and sharper brow. I chose a color that's 2 shades lighter than her skin tone because I still wanted to keep the look natural and not too dramatic. Now, at each end of her brow, I'm going to use a color that matches her skin tone. Here I'm adding concealer over her entire eyelid to make everything even and smooth. I'm using a concealer color that's the exact color of her skin tone. Once I finish that, I'm going to set everything with a translucent setting powder. Now I'm ready to apply the foundation, and I'm using this NARS matte foundation. I like this one because of course it has a matte finish, it's long lasting, and it's a medium to full coverage. The two pigment colors I'll be using are from J. LaRue Cosmetics. I'll list their Instagram in the description box. The lashes that I'm using are just some basic lashes, mink lashes that I got from the beauty supply store. So I don't remember the name of them, but they were really bomb. Here I'm adding very little highlight to the high plane areas of her face just to bring a nice soft glow. Now I'm going to line her lips. I'm using a Morphe pencil in the shade Bite Me. This is a soft brown. I didn't want to do anything too dark because I still wanted her to have a soft, natural nude lip. Here I'm going to apply a nude lipstick right to the center of her lips just to highlight them and give her more of a pouty look. I'm using a lipstick by Ruby Kiss from their matte line. I can't remember the exact shade, but I'll list it in the description box. But when you see it, you'll know it. Here I'm using a lip gloss. I think it was by Morphe. And this is the completed look. We are finally done. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it 2 thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe now. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment box. Until next time, thank you guys.